Hey there digital friends, welcome back to a new video, and in this video I'm going to show you how to add neon lines to your videos. Basically we use it to do these kind of editings in our laptop by using the Adobe softwares, but now we can also do this in our mobiles, as you can see the demo here which I have done in my mobile only. So we don't require a laptop now to edit this. And in this video I'm going to show you how to do these kind of editings in our mobile. So now open Play Store and search for the Scribbler app. In this app we are going to edit our videos so that we can add some line effects to our videos. As soon as you open the app, if you have an internet connection, the Scribbler app will show you some videos that users have created it. I think there is some issue with this app. Even though I connected to the internet, it's not showing. I recorded this video without connecting to the internet. I tried connecting to the internet, but the app didn't recognize it. So when we click on the plus button, we can see three methods. So let's go to the first method, that is quick method. In this method we will be selecting a video, and you can see at the bottom we have these neon stickers. There are so many stickers. We can select few stickers and add it on your video. Select any sticker which you like and just apply it on the video, adjust its size, and you can see how it works by playing the video. It is as simple as it says. Now let's enter the second option, that is the photo editing. In this we will be selecting the photo which we like, and after that we need to edit the aspect ratio of the photo, the size of photo which we need to editing. So let's select the size and accept it. After that we just need to simply draw the lines on the photo. This is just for drawing lines on the photos, and we can also change the line settings. For example, instead of normal line we can keep beat, fill, trail, etc. Also we can also change the colors. We can say the glow, intensity, size, etc. You can see all the different kind of lines which we can get here. We also have a disco mode where the colors automatically change itself. After editing the photo, just save the file and that's it, it's over. Now let's enter the third option, that is the video option. It is still in beta as they says, but this option is very interesting and it takes a lot of time to add lines also. This video is done in this method only, but it's a difficult way to add lines. If we add a stylus or S pen, it will be easy for us to editing the video in this mode. First of all, select the video which you want to edit. So you can select any video, but I am suggesting you to select the video which you recorded in 30 frames per second, because in this mode what it shows is the video, and at the bottom it will show all the frames of the video. For example, this video I have selected is just 3 seconds and I recorded it in 30 frames per second, and hence we get the 3 into 30, that is 90 photos total which we have to draw lines and edit. If you choose a 60 fps video, then it will be 180 frames, which will be much difficult than this to edit, and I suggest you to use some small videos, because if the length increases the frames also increases, so the editing will become much more difficult than it is. Now I will be showing to how to draw lines on the video. So we will be going from one frame to another frame one by one. As you can see, I am drawing the lines in every frame. As it is a 3 seconds video, means for 1 second we have 30 frames. We must be very careful while drawing the lines. For example, if you want to draw a circle, for 1 second we have 30 frames. So we must utilize all the 30 photos to draw the circle. But what happens is, as once if we completely draw the circle by small parts in the 30 photos, what we see is only 1 second. Means in 1 second the total circle completes. So what I am about to say is, we have drawn the circle in 30 photos, but what we finally see is only 1 second. So if you want to see it in 2 seconds, we must again draw it in 60 photos. So it is a very difficult way but in this only we can edit the lines how we want. This is how I draw the lines on the previous video which I showed you at the beginning of the video. And if you had a stylus, it will be easy to draw a straight lines because with our finger we can't do. As you have seen my previous Iron Man video, the video is of 9 seconds. That means I have edited 270 photos and it finally came like that. This is the only method we have to add lines as per our wish. So for editing these neon lines, we need lots of patience and hard work. If you don't want to edit in this way, you can always go back to quick mode. You can add some pre-existing stickers on your video and we can simply get what you want. After editing the video, just save it by playing the video, and after playing the video you can see the save option. You can save it in your original quality, and if you want to remove the watermark, we have to buy pro, or we can also watch an ad to remove it for one time. The processing and export time is totally depend on your processor. If your processor is good, and it will take less time in exporting the video, and after the video exports, that's it. You can watch the video how you have edited your video and how good it is. That's it guys, this is how we add the neon lights to our videos. And if you want, you can also buy the pro of the APK so that we can get rid of the ads and watermark, etc. If you like this video, go and subscribe my channel to see more of these videos coming in the future.